Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upload your own files on Airtable Workspace. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do is simply we need to open our workspace, and after opening the workspace, as you can see, you will be able to see the edit or impact or import option here. So we have to click on the edit or import. And after clicking on this, as you can see, start from scratch Airtable base. You can also use these options as well. For example, if you want to upload your CSV file, you have to click on this. Now you have to choose. You can also share the URL, Google Drive, and the OneDrive. You can upload from there. I'm going to cut this one and let's click on this again. You can upload any type of file. For example, if you want to upload from Excel, Google Sheets, you can also click on this, and you can also see the different types of sources here. These all sources are provided here. You just need to click on that source, and after clicking on that source, you have to attach your file or you have to upload your file. So in this way you can upload your external files in your in your workspace. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can upload your different types of file or how you can import those files in your Airtable workspace. So see you guys in the next video.